Hello everyone, today we will be reviewing the Leo and Oliver Leo 451 by Smér in 1 to 72nd scale. This kit was originally released in 1966 under the Hella brand, and the one we have right here is from 2006 by Smér. Okay, first to the box. It's a regular side opening box. On the rear we have the painting instructions for one of the painting schemes. I would say let's get right into it. Everything comes in this plastic bag together with the instructions and decals. Okay, let's first have a look at the parts. The clear parts and some additional parts come in this secondary bag. Okay, here are our parts. We have 2 sprues with the wings and fuselage, and 2 sprues with the further parts. Let's first have a look at our fuselage and wings. Our flaps seem to come separate. That should be really nice for posing the model. Our landing gear bay doors come in the plastic already molded, however they are able to be separated, so you can display the model with open landing gear, but it might be a little bit difficult to remove. We will have to see how that works out. The overall plastic quality is medium, I would say. It feels like a cheap plastic, and there's definitely a little bit of flash around the edges, but all the detail is clearly molded and should be visible on the final model. So yeah, it could be better, but it could also be worse. For a mold that is from 1966, I think this is absolutely fine. The other side looks very similar, although with even more flash. The smaller parts, you can also, of course, see the flash around the window areas and other small parts, so you will have to clean that up. Let's next take a look at our clear parts. They do come in this extra protective bag together with different parts of the wing at the back. I'm sorry, I forgot the name. There are also some that come with the kit already. As far as I know, these ones are used on a special plane in Vichy, France, so you need to use those for one of the painting options, decal options. The clear parts are also obviously from 1966, so they are quite distorted, as you can see here, and very, very thick. So yeah, not a lot of detail on there, but it can be forgiven due to the age of the kit. Also a lot of flash. You can see this giant piece of flash here. Definitely not as good as the reworked Hella molds. I assume that Smér still packs the non-retooled, the non-tidied up version of this kit. Let's next have a look at our decals and instructions. First, to the instructions. They are in black and white, so no color print here, and they're also just, yeah, there's this loose piece of paper, so it's not stapled together or anything. So we'll have to look out to not lose any any parts of the instructions. The instructions are very basic, but definitely better than the Hella Musee line with their explosion drawing. Yeah, you should be able to build this kit just fine. However, of course, we have the black and white painting instructions on the back. Luckily, the box, as I said, comes with a color painting instruction, so you can follow this one for our two French options, the 23 and 11, and you can, as far as no, it's not the same actually. Yeah, you will have to use the black and white version for the navy version in Vichy France. So yeah, that could be a little bit difficult. It is differentiated by different kind of lines, but still not that easy to read. So yeah, I will probably build one of the original French options, so I can use these nice color painting instructions. Of course, all of this is only worth it if the decals are good, so let's have a look at those. As we can see, they are on your regular blue decal sheet. They seem not very thick, actually very cleanly printed, and as long as they don't disintegrate, which I don't think they will do, these should be nice decals and should work just fine. I've definitely seen a lot worse in some other kits. That's about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope I could have helped you with deciding if you want to get this kit for yourself. Bye bye.